After a legal tug of war over whether a murder suspect should be eligible for the death penalty, the case is about to reach a conclusion.
Yeah, that's right. Jason Pleau is expected to change his plea to guilty today in a local courtroom. Eyewitness News reporter Andrew Adamson has a preview live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom.
Yeah, as you said, it looked like Jason Pleau could be facing the death penalty, but now that could all change after he changes his plea to guilty here at federal court today. Jason Pleau is accused in the death of David Main in September of 2010. Main was robbed and killed outside a Woonsocket bank. As the alleged killer, Pleau faced the death penalty under federal law, but in a plea agreement signed last week, Pleau admitted to committing the crime. In exchange, prosecutors and Pleu's lawyers say they'll recommend a sentence of life in prison without parole. Governor Chafee, who fought to keep Pleau from facing capital punishment, spoke exclusively with Eyewitness News about the outcome.
Rhode Island does not have the death penalty. It hasn't had it since early 1800s, and so as a supporter of that policy, not having a death penalty, this is a good outcome.
So that's Governor Chafee right there, and here's a statement from the victim's family, David Main. Quote, "Our family is very grateful to Peter Nerona, Addie Goldstein, and all the federal and state law enforcement officials who brought Jason Pleau to justice. Our family is comforted in knowing he will never be able to hurt another law-abiding citizen." Eyewitness News will be here in federal court when Pleau does change his plea to guilty, and we are going to be hearing more from Governor Lincoln Chafee coming up in our next half hour. Make sure you stay tuned for that exclusive interview. For now, live at the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Andrew Adamson, Eyewitness News.